You are welcome to episode 9. We are through with triangle and the proving of its area. Now we want to look at circle as a plane geometry. I will begin from the simplest part. If I make a dot like below, this is a dot. I begin to increase that dot. I will have another one like this, B. If I increase it the more, I will have C. If I increase that same dot, I will have D. So I'm still talking about the dot. What differentiates dot A from dot B from dot C from dot D is the thickness of that dot. If I begin to radiate this dot or point more and more and clean up the center, if I clean up the center like this, can you see? If I clean up the center like this, I clean up the center like this, I'm still talking about the dot. It also forms a circle. That means the dot that begin here, I can tag it as a point. And if I begin to radiate, it forms a circular plane. So on this circular plane, as shown below, we can get many theory from this circle. Remember that the sum of angle, right from GSS 2, the sum of an angle at a point is 360 degrees. Therefore, angle that will form a complete circle will also be 360 degrees. What do I mean? If I take a movement from here and allow my thickness to be the radius, my thickness is now the radius. Now I radiate this radius, the same radius from this center, from this end, moving in this format. It's still that point A that is moving. Now if I move it around the path with constant radius and stop at this, what I have done is I've made a point which has a thickness, then the 360 degree will be the angle. So a circle contains two sectors. And what we mean by sector is just a fractional part of a complete circle. And these two sectors, we call it the major sector and the minor sector. Addition of the two will form a complete circle. The major sector plus the minor sector will give us a complete circle. So we can go on and on like that about this plane circle. But for today, we want to prove the perimeter of a circle. I know at home you might have already gotten the formula, but how do they come about this formula? That is what I'm after. So we know that length of an arc, length of an arc is given as theta over 360 2 pi r. So it is from here the perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle is being determined is from this point. Now, I told you in the beginning of this episode that we have 360 degree that when you move around a circle, and I still emphasize on this 360 degree as a complete circle, the angle it made. So if our theta now is 360 degree, then we can conclude that the circumference of a circle or perimeter of a circle will be theta, which is 360, our theta, which is 360 over 360 2 pi r. That is from the length of a sector. So if you have length of an arc, if you have an arc like this, so the length of this arc, this is an arc, the length of this arc that will form the circle. So if it is 360, from here to here is the arc. If it is now 360, that will be 360 over 360 2 pi r. Then where r is the radius of the circle. So this 360 will cancel the 360. Then I have the perimeter of a circle to be 2 pi r. So if you have any other question or more explanation on that, you contact us through our WhatsApp number, which I've given out in the previous episode. Please like, share, and subscribe on to the episode 10, where we'll be looking at the area of a circle and how they come about the area of that circle. Thank you, and thank you for watching.